Students, this is our chapter number 2, The Ages, Stone and Iron. In our previous classes, we have completed mostly all chapter and completed all the important points, important ages. The first age is Paleolithic age, means old stone age, then Mesolithic age, the middle stone age, then Neolithic age or new stone age, then fourth is Chalcolithic age or copper stone age. Now in today's class we are going to understand the Iron Age. Broadly speaking, the Iron Age began from 1500 BC. However, in India, it began around 1000 BC. In all over the world, in other countries, we can say that it begins in 1500 BC, but in India, it begins around 1000 BC. The discovery of iron was a major advancement in the history of mankind. The discovery of iron was very advanced, very important for the history of mankind. Means iron was harder than copper and bronze is the hardest metal. Means it's harder than other metals like copper and bronze. It was found in different parts of the world. A number of iron tools like sickle, shovels, spades, etc. were developed. However, the early humans were not able to melt irons. They are not able to melt iron because irons need high degree Celsius, high melting point. So they heated it. When it became soft, after it became soft, it was beaten to make the required tool and implements. Iron plows were made fitted with wooden handle. The iron plow was made with iron and the handle of the iron plow was made up of wood. After making the iron plow, a wooden stick or wooden fitted as a handle with the plow, which made farming very easy. With the help of plows, the farming became very easy. Iron also helped to improve craft work and building activities. With the help of irons, the craft work also improves and the building activities also improve. As trade increased, coins of iron were also made and they are using iron to make coins. Moreover, weapons made of irons were also used to fight with the enemies, and weapons are made of irons are used in wars to fight with the enemies. The Romans and the Greek civilization developed in the Iron Age. Mainly the Roman and the Greek civilization developed in the Iron Age. So that's all from this chapter, and I will provide you practice session like exercises. Take the correct option, fill in the blanks, true, false, and matching in PDF form in groups. So thank you, student.